Got a bone to pick with you, boy.
Yeah.
Big bone to pick with you. Sit down, my son.
Yeah.
So, what happened with this drink? Where did we get this from?
Kevin.
Kevin at football?
Yeah.
Teddy's dad?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He went out and he purchased 4 of these bad boys for £48.
£12 a bottle.
£12 a bottle for this supposed to be limited edition Glowberry Prime.
Yeah.
I said to Frank, oh fire Frank, we're going to do a video with it and we're going to get your first taste on camera of this beautiful Prime bottle.
Yeah.
What happened, Frank?
I drank it.
Before I can get the phone out, Frank.
But there's still some in it.
There's still some in it. But you did break the seal and you did go acca-jacka on it and drink some of it. What's your first thoughts on the taste?
Nice.
Coming in. Let's try it again.
The chocolate punch.
Is it? Do you think it's worth £12 a bottle?
Not £12.
No way. That's £2 a bottle. Show me.
Normally £2.
Show
It's
me.
like them Chewits.
Let's
It's
have a look,
like
son.
Chewits. It's good. That one's Bell.
It's nice. That's better than the other one I tried, actually.
Yeah.
That ain't... Don't tip it upside down because of the lid.
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's
not
quite
that
nice. That's quite nice.
I would say £5 a bottle for this.
No way is it worth
£5.
£5. £2, bruv. That's no different. No, not even £2. £1.50, cuz. £2 because
£1.99.
I'd give £2 for it.
Yeah.
But really and truly, that's like £1.50 drink. That's like no different to... Don't keep tipping upside down, you're going to spill it all on my set. That's no different to a bottle of like Lucasade or something like that.
Yeah.
So that to me is like £1.50.
Yeah.
The fact that Kev went out and give £12 for that bottle,
Yeah.
oh my dizzy dots, that is a lot of money. What is even in this stuff, man?
I think it's lime and grape. That's, do you know it's coconut water
What is coconut water?
in it? It's coconut water.
Read the back of it. What's in the ingredients?
Coconut water and lemon and grape.
Great. Can you taste it? Can you taste them flavours coming through? Show me. Open it again for me, please. Can you taste them flavours, do you think? It's quite nice though.
It is.
That is quite nice though. That is a nice flavour. That'd be nice, not that you could taste it, but that'd be nice with some vodka. Vodka, darling. I quite like that. Yeah. But I've got to say, for £1.20, I think I'll sooner one of them, son. Hey? What would you sooner, Prime or San Miguel?
Prime!
Why are you going like that, bro? I thought you were going to say San Miguel and all that. You prefer that Prime than that?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't like the taste of that San Miguel, innit? He wants to be a bad man and drink it, but you don't like it. There you go, look, new Glowberry Prime, £12 a bottle. Comment below, would you pay £12 for a bottle of that?